dumpster rental service in Boca Grande, Florida. Keeping Boca Grande clean and clutter-free has never been easier. If you're working on a home renovation, new construction, or major cleanup, Dawg Dumpsters is here to help with hassle-free dumpster rentals. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to match your project needs, whether it's a small home cleanout or a large-scale construction job, we've got you covered. Our team ensures prompt delivery and pickup, making the process simple and stress-free. Just tell us when and where, and we'll handle the rest. From household junk and yard waste to construction debris and roofing materials, our dumpsters handle it all. No more trips to the landfill, just toss it in, and we take care of disposal. Contractors, homeowners, and business owners rely on us for dependable service and flexible rental periods. We keep your job site clean and running efficiently. When you're done, just give us a call. We'll pick it up quickly so you can focus on what matters. For the best dumpster rental service in Boca Grande, call Dawg Dumpsters today at 743-244-3294, book online or speak with our team for expert advice.